Hi, I'm Emma Seal. Welcome to my video. In this video, we're going to be having a look at lunges. And lunges are part of a bodyweight resistance exercise that are common in most workouts. This is part of a playlist of videos where we have a look at these techniques and methods of exercising. To check out the other videos in the playlist, head to the card or to the link in the description. So lunges are a lower body exercise which are common in a lot of workouts. They're really good for glutes and quads engagement and strengthening this lower area of your body. Now, they're also very beneficial to lower back issues because if we've got strong legs, it supports our lower back, and we have to engage the core when you're doing the exercises to keep your balance. To perform a lunge, you start with your legs hip width apart. Don't have them too close or too wide. From that position, you're going to take one leg back so that the foot is on its tiptoes and you're pushing through the heel on the front foot. Keeping the chest up nice and tall and the hips open. Making sure that the legs are still hip width apart. You've not got one behind the other because that will make you imbalanced. So from that position, we've got toes on the back, flat foot on the front. We've got an upright position with the core pulled in nice and tight and we're keeping the hips open. The eyes are forwards. We're going to take that back knee down towards the floor. That's the one that does all the work. As that goes down, you push through the heel on the front leg. The knee should not go beyond the toes. So as you go into that position, what we want to avoid is pushing forwards with the knee at the front, because that's going to put lots of pressure on the knee and cause you pain here, rather than pushing through the back of the leg on the front leg and through the hips on the back. So we keep it upright. So from that position, we go down towards the floor but not touch, bring it up, switch legs, same thing, opposite side. Always making sure that you are using your core and you are not leaning forwards. We need to feel a stretch down the front of this thigh and then also a push through the heel and into the glutes on that front leg. So you're getting the stretch at the front and also through the bottom on the back. Okay, switching sides. You can do these free of weights or you can do them with dumbbells, kettlebells, anything like that. Need to make sure the knee stays beyond the toes and the front foot's flat. If you got something out of this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notifications. Also check out the playlist and I hope to see you in another video.